Defend.
Rick's out here just trying to fucking smack everyone.
Yeah, I'm going to defend my client in the court of law. I'm going to kill the opposition with facts and logic. You're going to fucking die. And justice is going to be upheld. I have hired the bailiff to defend me too, because this prosecutor is a stalker.
What the fuck?
Oh, where the fuck am I?
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, you shut up. Yeah, you shut up. Alright.
Yo, what are you in here for? Scamming everyone for way too long.
No.
I think defense is gonna win this. Alright, bro, you're in on this, alright? You need to lock the fuck in.
I am Honorable Judge Solid Snake, and I will be the judge of today's court case against, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, Jesus actual. Yeah.
That's Jesus.
Jesus
God,
actual.
it's him.
The Son of God.
Oh, it's Jesus.
Hey, Judge, I have an idea.
Oh, fucking shut him
I
up.
agree. Hang the prosecutor.
Order in the court. Order in the fucking court. You shit, nobody likes you. You and your dream PFP, kill yourself now. Anyway.
Burst!
Buzzed.
What's your opening statement?
Alright, so I just wanna start off with, let's go ahead and get this rundown. All the churches under Jesus, they don't get taxed, okay? They rake in big bucks all the time.
Huh?
I believe it's my turn to speak, Your Honor.
They don't get any
No, it is
tax.
not. And please don't do that with when the prosecutor is speaking. We're trying to do a court case here, you fucking retard.
Anyways, if we're going off of the precedent of the previous court situation, being a homosexual is obviously problematic, and Jesus got his feet, quote-unquote, washed all the time by all his homeboys, his apostles, okay? And that cannot stand, quite frankly. And everyone is on his side of everything that Jesus forgives.
I'm gonna
that,
claim
Jesus
the
forgives
pros-
this, okay?
That's
There's all
what's
these hoes on Instagram that put Bible verse in there and think that all their hoey activity is absolved. It's not, okay?
Yeah,
It's a scam.
no, seriously though. No, that is actually so fucking real though. There's like 20 different girls in my school who have like a Bible verse in their WhatsApp status or
Can
with,
you
like,
arrest
their
this
bio on
judge?
Insta, and they think they're the most like humble person
No.
ever when they get fucked daily in the bathroom stall. Like,
Exactly. You see what I'm talking about. Everyone knows what I'm talking
Yeah.
about. Jesus is a scam.
yeah.
He scammed us all.
Alright. The feds. What do you have to say about this?
Well, I'd like to start this off and say the prosecutor is Indian, and that's why he's in cuffs. Only an Indian would think that having a good wash is a terrible thing.
And I mean, I'm not Indian.
Hey,
Sorry, prosecutor, I want to get you out of cuffs.
Free Jesus, you hear the people. The people have spoken.
The Pope
Jesus
has risen
belongs
from the
in
dead
jail.
to beat the crap out of the prosecutor.
The court hasn't even been in session for 5 minutes. Defense. Try to actually defend your
I'm
client!
the prosecutor. Free
Your Honor,
Jesus.
Your Honor, if you do not hit me with a hammer, Your Honor, if you do not hit me with a hammer, I will provide a deep-throated defense. Basically,
Muted while you get hit.
starting off, my client, my prosecutor, that guy over there, he's Indian, right?
Oh shit, look at that.
What is this?
Wait, your client and the prosecutor?
Son of God or a gardener.
You can be both.
Yeah,
You can be both,
Free
Your Honor.
Jesus, hang
Shut up!
Stone the fag. Fuck you. Alright. But no, he's...
Defense. Defense. Sorry.
Free
that is very...
Jesus, hang
Shut up!
Turn him into a duck.
Keep-
Magic
keep-
wand. Fuck him.
Yes! Nazi man, what the fuck? Okay, alright, if you give me fucking one second to actually speak, you fucking Goebbels. The prosecution said that Jesus is a homosexual because other men wash his feet, right? Now, let me say to you, only an Indian man would be against having a good wash, right? Everyone has a good wash, and only an Indian would be against that.
Nationality.
This
nationality is irrelevant to the court case.
It's not just nationality, Your Honor, but it's culture. And this man thinks he's in Indian court. He thinks he's in a kangaroo court, when in reality we are in the fucking Supreme Court of Australia. And may I say, a Christian country at that. My client is Jesus, and Jesus is innocent.
Order!
Christian.
I would like to test something to see if the prosecutor really is Indian. Hello?
Yeah.
You want to
You ever ate a cheeseburger?
No.
Your Honor, I can show you evidence that he is Indian. I can show you evidence. When I ask him a question, hit him.
do it?
Prosecution, you have 5 seconds. You have 5 seconds to answer me. If you don't answer, you are Indian. Are you Indian? Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He didn't respond. He's an Indian.
That is hilarious.
He's guilty. My client is innocent. The prosecution is guilty. Hang him immediately. Hang him from the ceiling.
Being Indian has nothing to do with Jesus being a scammer.
gonna
I'm sorry to
crucify
say.
him.
When you worship fucking cows, you think everyone's a scammer.
Of course you know about scams, don't you, mate? You know all about scams.
Yeah, you framed my fucking client. And look at this pigeon crash landing. That's my fucking evidence.
It's a bad omen.
Explain that defense.
The pigeon is the malware that this Indian prosecutor put in my client's computer, implicating him in his sordid, illicit activities. Case dismissed.
Oops.
We bring in this witness.
Okay, bring in the witness.
Bring little girl.
Understand.
Jesus healed you.
Wait, I'm sorry.
the fucking little-
Turn him into a chicken again.
Little girl. This little girl was saved by Jesus. She was possessed by demons and homosexuality, and Jesus saved her. Therefore, he cannot be a scammer. That's my witness.
What do you have to say about that?
been so happy in my life. I think
You're a hoe. You get fucked daily, and you use Jesus to forgive yourself.
And the
I would like to bring in. I would like to also say that this little girl was not a virgin before Jesus came along, and then Jesus imbued her with the gift of virginity, making her pure once more. She is now a pure woman, and therefore my client is innocent and not a scammer.
Excuse me. I'm sorry. Let's consider this for our next court case.
She lived in Pakistan. That is legal over there.
That makes.
But my client saved her.
Yeah, I can definitely see from the skin tone.
From the brown.
Yeah. Brown like the stupid Indian prosecution. Oh my god, I hate India. I've heard enough.
Dismiss the witness. Put her back in the cage.
Oops, wrong fucking witness.
Who the fuck was that?
Alright. Prosecution. We haven't heard your Indian voice.
I'm just
Defend
allowing the
yourself.
defense to speak while he wants to. I'm just saying, are we really gonna allow a dangerous man like Jesus back on the streets, turning
Hit him.
water into wine?
Stone him. He is
May
speaking
I
blasphemy.
speak, defendant, may I speak?
Blasphemy. Read the board. Read the juror board.
Jesus teaches you to interrupt. That's rude. Jesus is rude, and so are you. Okay, this is problematic.
I can't believe it.
Prosecution, read the juror board. The jurors understand.
Order.
What
What
did
did
the
the witness
prosecution
say?
have to say?
Alright, let him speak. Let him speak.
Listen, in every situation, people use Jesus for the wrong reasons. Let's look at the Crusades, for example. Look at how many people died and were maimed and killed because of...
Alright, first of all, those weren't wrong.
And those weren't people, those were Muslims.
Those weren't wrong.
Those were Muslims.
You have to object. Defense.
Those are well justified.
Justified. Alright, Your Honor, do you want the Crusades to be justified? Come on, look at your moral compass. Those...
Boo, gay. Gay.
Excuse me, prosecution. Allow me to state what my opinion on what you just asked.
That's all I have to say. We know the truth, okay? And you can make your decision. I don't know, maybe the mega...
do know the truth.
Yeah, hit him again. Fuck yeah!
Yeah, as it should be! As it should be!
Messiah.
Jesus is the Messiah. Jesus is King.
Jesus is king! Jesus is
Christ is
king!
King. Christ is King. Christ is King.
Sigma.